Are you tired of watching your IT costs pile up higher than your inventory? What if I told you there's a way to save money and boost your efficiency at the same time? Say hello to cloud hosting with Apptrix, your one-stop solution for cutting costs and streamlining operations. Imagine slashing your IT expenses by up to 50%. That's money you can reinvest in what really matters, like upgrading your equipment, expanding your team, or even taking that much-needed vacation. With Apptrix, you're not just saving money, you're also getting top-tier security, 24/7 support, and a cloud environment tailored to your manufacturing needs. No more surprise expenses or costly downtime. And the best part, you can focus on what you do best, manufacturing, while Apptrix takes care of the rest. Ready to save big? Switch to Apptrix and watch your profits soar while your IT costs dive.